Hi, I'm Lou.
And I'm Mel, and we're
we're
owners
owners
helping
helping
owners. What's the item you can't go on vacation without? Well, that answer is sitting right next to me.
I always make sure that I pack an exercise outfit or two. We usually walk because we enjoy doing that. And I always take my iPad and my phone because I like to keep in touch with our kids. Besides vacationing, what's something you didn't anticipate experiencing as a Club Wyndham owner? I'm always surprised when we come to the different Club Wyndhams how friendly the staff are, including the cleaning people and the maintenance people.
And if we do have a problem with something, we call them, and geez, the maintenance guys are there in seconds. I mean, just incredible.
What was your most memorable vacation with Club Wyndham? Washington, D.C., we stayed in National Harbor. We got to visit my son and daughter-in-law and the two granddaughters. The two granddaughters came and stayed with us. How has VIP enhanced your ownership? We enjoy the special services that we get by having that status, and it's always nice that they know that we're gold members. And we also don't have to share the television if we don't want to.
Club Wyndham management seems to always be trying to improve the quality of the product, and I think that that's honestly what we're seeing from our end. What's your number one tip for owners who are new to the VIP program? I would just tell you to utilize your computer, look at the VIP program. It'll explain all of the benefits, the restrictions, the rules, and then make sure every time you go to one of the owner information programs. They're now tailored to whatever tier you're in, and they will go over the benefits that you're entitled to based on the tier that you're in.
And if you have any questions, just ask. How do you make the most of your points when planning your vacations? I have my husband handle it.
That's true, she does.